Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to check your Shopify store password and recover login access. All right, let's begin. First, log in to your Shopify admin dashboard using your account credentials. Once you are inside the dashboard, move to the left-hand menu and click on Online Store. This section manages your storefront settings, including themes, pages, and access controls. After opening Online Store, select Preferences from the list. This page contains important configuration options related to your store visibility and security. Scroll down until you find the Password Protection section. Here, you will see the current password that restricts access to your Shopify store when it is locked. This password is used to control who can view your store before it is publicly launched or during maintenance. Review the password carefully to confirm it is correct. If you need to update it, you can easily enter a new password in the same field. Once you make any changes, click Save to apply them. Saving is important to ensure your updated password settings are active. So, that's basically how you can check your Shopify store password and recover login access. That's it for this video. Thanks.